Welcome to this Sellercloud tutorial on integrating BigCommerce with Sellercloud. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of setting up the integration and managing your BigCommerce store through Sellercloud. Let's get started. To integrate BigCommerce with Sellercloud, the first step is to obtain your BigCommerce API credentials. These credentials will allow Sellercloud to connect with your BigCommerce store. Sign into your BigCommerce account. Click on Settings on the left-hand side. Scroll down to the API section and click on Store-Level API Accounts. Click on Create Account. Leave the token type on v2 v3 API token. Type your name and the API path will be generated automatically as you type. Make the necessary settings and click on Save. Your API account is created, and the credentials will appear on screen. Click Done. Additionally, a text file containing all the necessary information will be automatically downloaded to your computer. Make sure to store this file in a secure location, as you will need its contents for the setup. After obtaining your BigCommerce API credentials, let's proceed with entering these credentials into Sellercloud. Click on Settings, then Companies, and find your company. Click on Toolbox and search for Website, then click General. Click Edit. Set the store type to Custom, and then set the store plugin to BigCommerce v3 and click Save. Go again to the toolbox and search for Website, then choose Cart General under the Sellercloud plugin Website. Populate the following settings with the corresponding BigCommerce information from the text file you downloaded earlier. Click on the three dots icon in the Options section and select Install Webhook. Next, click on the three dots icon again and select Test Settings. It's important to execute the Test Settings action to initialize the connection. Failing to complete this step may result in issues with importing BigCommerce orders into Sellercloud. Configure the applicable settings on this page as per your requirements. Let's go through some of the settings. Enable List Price. Enable this if you want to send the list price, MSRP, with a strike-through. Enable Brand Creation. When listing a product on BigCommerce, you must set a brand. Enabling this setting will create the brand in BigCommerce if it doesn't exist when you post a product. Enable Condition Update for products. This setting sends the condition to the website when posting a product. Enable Matrix Option Image. This checks if an end matrix image is available. If not, or if the option is not enabled, a child product's main description image will be used. Enable Product Sort Order Update. This setting sends matrix variations in the order they are listed on the matrix page. Enable Custom Column Update for products. Custom columns will be sent to the Other Details section when posting a product. Query Order Payment Status. This setting checks orders in Sellercloud marked as no payment or authorized and queries the order's status from the website. Once you've configured the settings, click on Save. Go back to Website General and click on Edit. From here you have to enable Inventory Upload, Price Upload, New Product Upload, Allow Tracking Upload, Allow Active Listings Download and any other options that you like. Finally click on Save. That's it. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any further questions or need assistance, please don't hesitate to contact Sellercloud support.